Raw whole fruit lemonade ice pops are deliciously fun and easy to make, especially in the summertime when the lemons are at their best and our favorite fresh fruits are easy to get. Coulis is a thin puree that is used as a sauce but can also be frozen very successfully into molds for ice pops. Since this style of ice pop is raw to maximize nutritional benefit and does not require any heating, extra precautions are necessary to maintain food safety. I like to use old-fashioned wooden popsicle sticks and stainless steel ice pop molds because they're easy to clean and sanitize and work well to easily release the pops by simply dipping the frozen mold in warm water. These lemonade ice pop recipes are scaled to make enough coulis to fill at least 3 regular-sized ice pop molds, which are usually around 3 ounces or 100 milliliters. The coulis will stay fresh for a couple days in the refrigerator, so we can also freeze the coulis in layers, letting the layers freeze for 2 hours between each layer, and 5 hours for the whole pop, creating interesting flavor combinations and frozen textures. Little washable clips are handy to align the popsicle sticks between the layers. The texture of the frozen pop will be influenced by the amount of sugar, so the sweeter pops will have a softer texture, and since fresh lemon juice is tart and needed for a lemonade flavor, diluting the lemon juice with equal parts water and adding a little honey creates the formula for that authentic lemonade taste. 60 grams lemon juice, 60 grams water, and 30 grams honey is a 10% sugar by volume base, so when it is blended with 200 grams fresh fruit and strained, the ice pops will hopefully have a crumbly soft texture as they melt, but can also be adjusted to taste.